Hi everyone. If your GE washer is displaying the E2 error code, it usually means that the washer is taking too long to drain or is experiencing drainage related problems. So in today's video, I will show you how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to begin with inspecting the washer drum for excess standing water. If water remains after a cycle, drainage flow is likely restricted. So you just have to simply check the drain filter. Afterwards, you need to check the pump trap and lower drainage area for lint, coins, small garments or debris that could be slowing or blocking the water removal. Afterwards, you just have to take a look at the drain hose. So the drain hose is behind the washer. So you need to take a look at it and make sure that it is not kinked, crushed or inserted too deeply into the standpipe. Improper hose position can create the siphoning issues and poor drainage performance, both of which may trigger the E2 error code. Now, during the drain cycle, you need to also listen carefully to the drain pump. A humming sound with the poor drainage may indicate a clog, while complete silence may suggest pump failure. So, if the pump is blocked or damaged, it may need cleaning or replacement. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.